Hey, all the good folks over at Kingsyard sent me over another bird feeder to check out and see what we think about it, but more importantly, see what the birds think about it. We're going to get it opened up and see what it looks like, and then we're going to get it set up. Stick around. This one is a bright yellow one. So we'll fill this up right here. Like some assembly may be required, it appears. Looks like we have a little dome that covers the seed like this. Kind of protects it. Our seed tray, paperwork, and our little Kingsyard metal mesh tube feeder. The instructions here, fairly simple. You can see it's got little pins right here for the quick release. Just slide this on there, just like that. There we go. Put our dome, it's got slots in the plastic here to slide over these, just like so. And then our hanger right here. One side in, just like that. There we go. Now to fill this up, we'll need to take this back off, fill it up, and put that back on there. I was just trying to show you what it looked like, right like that. I'm going to hang this one up right over here behind me and see if the birds like it. Well, there we go. We got it filled up and ready to go. It usually takes a few days for the birds to kind of acclimate to it and not be scared of it. But the yellow is supposed to attract birds quicker than other colors. I don't know that much about birds, but that's what they say anyway. But like I said, it's got this dome right here that kind of covers and protects the feed dish down here. You're gonna have to wash this out pretty regularly, I imagine, and get like a baby bottle brush or something and clean this off. You wanna keep it clean so the birds can get the seeds out and eat. We'll give it a thumbs up because it's easy to put together, looks nice. I think the birds are gonna like it. I like it too. Hey, I am Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.